Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into an alternate knee raise variation. Inhale, circle your arms forward and up, lifting through one leg. Exhale, circle back and down, lowering your leg. Continue flowing from right to left, wrapping this movement around your breath, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and arms, while creating more mobility through your shoulders and upper back. Continue flowing at your own pace. And for more of a challenge, adding an alternate leg extension, squeezing and contracting your leg muscles as you extend, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lean back at a slight angle using your core to stabilize. Adding an alternate toe tap. Begin to tap your toes out, alternating right and left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. For more of a challenge, reach your arms overhead as you continue tapping from right to left, maintaining the position of your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist, toning through your arms and legs while strengthening through your abs, obliques, and low back. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.